Okwu ntabiire mmee, red tongue twister. Ndewo. The lesson for today is titled Okwu ntabiire mmee, red tongue twister. And it's a tongue twister that would help you get around the challenge of saying mmee red and mmee party. So the spellings are similar, but the tones and the meanings are different. But before we start on this tongue twister, we're going to look at the 3 words that we will find in this tongue twister. And these words are ye. Ye is the past tense for wearing, which is wore. Ye, wore. Oyi akwa mmee. She wore a red dress. Ha yi akwa ọcha. They wore white clothes. Iyi akwa gị ahụ taa. Are you wearing those your clothes today? Next one is mmee, party. Some people call it emume. Some call it mmee, but mmee seems to be more common in standard Igbo. Anyị nwere ọtụtụ mmemme n'ọnwa December. We have a lot of parties this December. Ị na-aga mmemme ahụ? Are you going to that party? Ọ gara mmemme ụnyaahụ. He went to a party yesterday. Mmemme, party. Mmee, red. Ọbara na-acha mmee. Blood is red in color. Ihe niile dị ebe a na-acha mmee. Everything here is red in color. Nye m iko mmemme ahụ. Give me that red cup. Ready? Let's begin with the tongue twister. And the tongue twister goes like this. Mee ka chi yi uwe mmemme mmee na mmemme meniru. So, Mee ka chi wore a red party dress at Meniru's red party. Mee ka chi yi uwe mmemme na mmemme meniru. Mee ka chi yi uwe mmemme na mmemme meniru. I'm now going to say it about 5 times. I'll probably trip, but it's all in the spirit of giving my mouth a workout. So you see, even though I'm fluent in Igbo, I still struggle sometimes. So you can never finish learning a language or getting, better at speaking a language. Ready? Let's go. Mee ka chi yi uwe mmemme na mmemme meniru. Mee ka chi yi uwe mmemme na mmemme meniru. Mee ka chi yi uwe mmemme na mmemme meniru. Mee ka chi yi uwe mmemme na mmemme meniru. And so I'm going to say it 4 more times. Mee ka chi yi uwe mmemme na mmemme meniru. Mee ka chi yi uwe mmemme na mmemme meniru. Mee ka chi yi uwe mmemme na mmemme meniru. Mee ka chi yi uwe mmemme na mmemme meniru. And so the words we've learned in this tongue twister are ye, the past tense for wearing, which is wore. Mmee, party. Mmee, red. So you notice that when it comes to red, you have to drag it. Mmee, and that's why it has an extra E here and an extra E there. But in party, it only has 1 E. mmee, and it's joined together. So mmee party, mmee red. Mmee party, mmee red. It's a good workout, and it helps your mouth and your mind start to separate the two, mmee and mmee. And then when you finish recording, you share the link to your recording on the discussion group. And if you have extra time, you can try and make new sentences with these 3 words we've learnt: yi, mmee, and mmee. In conclusion, always remember that practice makes perfect, and that each effort you make brings you closer to your Igbo language and cultural learning goals. Ka o mesịa. See you in the next lesson.